Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain TurboTax app preview to see with what using. The TurboTax mobile app is a user-friendly tax filing tool that guides users through the process of preparing and submitting their tax return. It offers features like document scanning, step-by-step guidance, and integration with a financial institution for importing tax. The app supports various tax situations, including W-2 income, self-employment, and investment. TurboTax provide different service levels from free filing for simple returns to premium option with expert assistance. User can choose to have a dedicated expert handle their tax from start to finish. The app is available on both iOS and Android. TurboTax is a solid choice for individuals seeking a comprehensive and intuitive tax filing experience. Its range of features cater to various tax situations, and the availability of expert assistance adds value for those needing extra support. However, users should be mindful of the cost associated with premium service and ensure they select the appropriate service level for their need. Overall, TurboTax offers a reliable solution for managing tax filing efficiently, and that's it.